The Biden administration is expected to announce this week that it will propose a ban on menthol cigarettes, an action urgently sought by tobacco opponents and civil rights groups that say African Americans have been disproportionately hurt by the industry's aggressive targeting of black communities. The administration also is poised to say it will seek to ban menthol and other flavors in mass-produced cigars, including small cigars popular with young people, according to administration officials familiar with the situation who spoke on the condition of anonymity because they are not authorized to discuss it publicly. It could be years before such bans would take effect, but the administration's announcement is likely to be hailed by anti-smoking organizations as a critical and long-overdue step in curbing tobacco use and improving public health. Despite sharp declines in smoking in recent years, tobacco use remains a leading cause of illness and death in the United States and worldwide, especially among people of color. Anti-smoking groups have been frustrated for years by Washington's inaction on menthol cigarettes and have turned to states and localities to request bans, with mixed success. They became more optimistic about a possible federal ban in recent months amid President Biden's repeated vows to reduce health disparities made glaringly obvious by the coronavirus pandemic, and efforts by the Black Lives Matter movement to focus on institutionalized racism. The Food and Drug Administration faces a court deadline Thursday to respond to a 2013 citizen petition seeking a menthol cigarette ban. The suit was filed by public health groups last year to compel the FDA to respond to the petition. It is pending in federal district court in Northern California. There is not an open question on whether menthol in cigarettes is harmful. The evidence is overwhelming and consistent, Joelle Lester, Director of Commercial Tobacco Control Programs at the Public Health Law Center at Hamline School of Law in Minnesota, said in a recent interview. The Law Center led a group of 19 public health organizations to file the 2013 petition. The Biden administration doesn't know how to solve every problem. But they know what to do here, and they can do it, Lester said. Unlike many of the administration's plans, a ban on menthol cigarettes or flavored cigars does not require congressional approval. But the FDA first must put out proposed rules and consider public comments. Any final regulation banning menthol cigarettes would almost surely be challenged in court by the industry, which has repeatedly sued the FDA to try to block anti-tobacco regulation. The administration is still considering another long-sought goal of anti-smoking activists, requiring tobacco companies to lower the amount of nicotine in cigarettes to non-addictive levels. But it will not announce action on that issue this week, said the people with knowledge of the situation.